Welcome to the sixth FeKK. This is the first competition program, FeKK YU, which consists from films that were part of, from the countries that were part of Yugoslavia. Unfortunately, because of the corona crisis, we couldn't invite all the authors, but at the end, one author is here, and we will have a short Q&A after the screening. So enjoy the screening, see you later.
Dobar dan.
Dobar dan. Dobar dan.
I da onaj ko je spreman da plati smještaj u Amanu između 1000 i 3500 eura na noć.
Idete u školu? Kako ide nauka? Super.
Dobro večer še enkrat. Za nami je prvi tekmovalni program FeKK YU I in z nami je tudi avtor filma Bog pomagaj. Očitno mu je uspelo z Božjo pomočjo priti na festival, so I would like to invite to the stage Zvonimir Grujić, the author of film God Helps. Pogovor bo potekal v angleščini, ker Zvonimir ne govori slovensko. Če potrebujete prevod, ga bomo pa zagotovili po zadnji projekciji. So, Zvonimir, we are tight on schedule, so we have to be quick. My first question will be, one of the motives of your film was gambling. And why did you choose this topic, and how is gambling in Montenegro? Mikrofon nekaj ne dela.
So, hello, first of all, good evening to everybody. And yeah, first of all, I don't consider myself a gambling man, but yes, I am a gambling man. I have a problem with that. So yeah, this story is really close to me, but the gambling in Montenegro is, I mean, it's not a problem. I mean, that might be the addict in me talking, but yeah, like in Montenegro you have three things that are all over the streets in every city. Those are bars, pharmacies, and betting places, and that's it. Like, the whole country is filled with it. So yeah, people, it's like a job there. So yeah, for me that's not a new thing. Do you have any more questions?
Yeah, of course. Actually, we saw today two films from Montenegro.
Yes,
from your colleague also.
Yes, the first one is from my classmate Nikola, and his film depicts a really good picture of Montenegrin society and political situation.
And this is my question, actually, because the both films are dealing with authority and position of control and power. So is this a coincidence, or do you think as a young director that you should deal more with these topics?
So it's a coincidence, definitely. I'm really jealous of, and I'm not jealous, I'm proud of him, and I'm jealous in the same time of him, because his movie is the kind of movie I would like to make. Secondly, yeah, I don't have a problem with authority, but yeah, I have a problem with everything that's like organized for the wrong reasons. Maybe that's the best way to put it. Yeah, I don't want to get into it, but yeah, the government in Montenegro and the rest of the Balkans. I mean, Montenegro might be extreme, but it's pretty much the same thing everywhere else. Croatia, Serbia, Bosnia and Herzegovina. I don't know about Slovenia. I don't know what's the situation here.
We are getting there.
What? You're getting there? Okay, you're gonna be part of the Balkans soon. So yeah, what I wanted to say, yeah, it's a big problem because, I don't know, I mean, I don't want to get into the thing with the betting, but people a big number of people rely on the betting places as their, like, source of income. Yeah. So, I don't know. To be honest, my professor once from production told me it's not a good thing to let directors talk because they usually ruin their movies. And yeah, I don't know honestly, I just wanted to make a good film, I guess, tell a story that was close to me. I have a problem with church, the thing I said earlier, stuff that is organized for the wrong reasons. And yeah, I don't know, yeah.
Zvonimir, I think you already deserve award for getting here. So Mateusz will pass you a champagne so you can celebrate with your team your first FeKK experience.
Thank you. Yeah, the main reason I came because this is the premiere of this film you just saw. And I just wanted to see if people will laugh, and I heard laughs, and that's all I wanted to hear. And that's thank you to all of the audience and the festival that selected me, and I don't know what else to say.
Hi FeKK, greetings from Split, Croatia. You will watch, I don't know, is this before or after movie? We will watch my short movie, Južno voće, Summer Fruits, which is based on some events in my life at summer 2018. And visual inspiration for the movie was Romero A Green Ray. And that's it. I hope you enjoy and that we will see each other one happy day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Maja Novakovic from Serbia, director of film Then Comes the Evening. My film depicts bittersweet everyday life of two grannies living isolated on the hills of eastern Bosnia. Inspiration for the film are my childhood memories. I grew up in the village where those grannies live. When I was little, I used to look after sheep with them. And also what is important for me about movie, it's the film emphasizes intangible cultural heritage and I wanted to preserve their way of life from oblivion. Shortly, it's a film about the connection of spirit and nature in forgotten times. I hope you will enjoy the screening. Please stay safe and happy. Bye.